Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to turn off your HP OmniBook X. So the first option is to click on Windows button and then power on button and click the shutdown. And the next thing is to power off forcefully by clicking the power on button on keyboard and holding it a couple of seconds. Now just slide to shut down your PC and here you go. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.